Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the February manifestation box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the February 2025 manifestation box has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, I am doing this one now every other month with Rena over at Boxes and Deals. I'll be showing you the manifestation box, and then you can pop on over to her channel, which I will have it linked down below in the description box, so you can see what the monthly wrap club is all about. Then you can kind of tell which one you would like. If you wanted to sign up, you'll know which one to go with because there's two different types. So again, I have the manifestation box. Down inside of this one, you are going to find the meditation card. There's always two. You have your horoscope. There's a list of what we're working with for the month, a necklace, a bracelet, and a healing crystal. And then over to the Mother Earth Wrap Club, you have the beautiful wrap bracelet, and then there's a little gift in there as well. You always have some kind of surprise in there. So again, you can pop on over to Rena's video and you can check out what's in that one. So let's go ahead and see what's inside of this month's manifestation box. I'm always so excited to see which crystal they use, what the colors are. I just love their jewelry. And the last time I did show you like an order that I placed when they had that really good deal for like Friday the 13th, I was just so impressed with all of those that I got. So let's go ahead and dive in. There's always a handwritten card right on top from the owner. Attention to detail, literally it's down to the card right on top. You always have a sticker holding everything together, and this one is so beautiful. Look at that image. It's like a sky with the mountain. Beautiful. They're always different. And then when we open it up, there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. So I'm gonna go with all of the paperwork in here first, and then we will go with the goodies. Okay, so for this month, what we're going to be working with, it says healing past wounds, releasing emotional baggage for a full Valentine's Day. So here is this whole form. Again, you can sit down and read it. This is what we're working with for the month. And then I have my own astrology. When you sign up, you tell them what sign you are. I'm a Scorpio, so here is my own astrology to read for the month. You also tell them the wrist size and the length of the necklace that you would prefer. And this box is pretty much then tailored just for you. And I love that. And then here are the two different meditation cards. Like I explained, you get two of them. One is for you to keep and one is for you to gift if you so choose to, or you can keep them both yourself, but you always get two of them. So this month it says you can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are to change the ending. Did you hear that? Like that is the facts right there. You can't go back to change the beginning, but now you can change the ending. I love that. So here's those two. Ooh, we have this really nice, it's on their card, which goes over some more of their gorgeous jewelry. And that's being said, you can purchase all of their items like individually. They have bracelets, anklets, keychains, crystals. They even do the advent calendars at the end of the year. You can go ahead and check them out. And I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will save you 20% off your first subscription box or 20% off your purchase online. So you can go ahead and use that if you would like. I really love that this one has all of this information right here. Look at that. So you have like your chakras. It shows you the symbol, what it's for, the crown, the third eye, the throat, the heart, all of that. And then it tells you the attributes, the mantra, and then the crystals that are associated with that. I love that. I've never seen this before, but I'm definitely going to frame that right there. That is gorgeous. Okay, and then we do have some more paperwork in here, or postcards going over more of their jewelry. I've even purchased things for my mom and had it sent to her. So again, you can go ahead and check them out and see their individual items or their subscriptions. So let's go ahead with down in here, this should be the bracelet and the healing crystal. One thing that I absolutely love, and I tell you guys every time, they give you these cards. They're super self-explanatory. I can pretty much read almost every word on there. So that says a lot for me. And I love that there is like the image right on top. So if you were ever looking at a crystal and you're like, what was this one again? You can pretty much kind of match it up and then you can read on it and know what it's about. So, ooh, I see amethyst. I love amethyst. That's my mom's birthstone. So amethyst always reminds me of my mom. And look at this. It is a moon shape amethyst. So for this crystal, amethyst is the perfect stone for you if you are facing stressful times in your life. This crystal helps people cope with stress by supporting mental calm. It also provides protection from addiction. It helps you make good decisions that will benefit you in the long run, avoiding those instant gratifications that don't feel so great later. But that is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. I love that. And I have like my own little section of just amethyst. So that's where this is gonna go. I love that. Okay, so this kind of looks, I thought it was gonna be pink based on this. And you know what? This is completely different. It's on a chain this time. Normally you just slip them right on. It's on like an elastic, thing. This one, it is not. And again, I thought it was gonna be more pink, but this to me looks more lavender. If you can see, like compared to the photo on the thing, this definitely looks more lavender than this pink one, but it's I have no clue. Kunzite? What I wanted to come out of my mouth was definitely not a good word to say for a crystal. But I don't know how to say that. You can say it however you want. I'm the first one to tell you there's definitely a whole lot of words out there that I don't know how to pronounce, and I'm not even gonna try. With its loving pink energy, activates the heart chakra and aligns it with the light violet energy of the mind. Yeah, this looks more violet. The healing communications between mind and heart produces a powerful peace penetrating the inner core of one's being and is expressed as pure joy in thoughts and feelings. So again, this is more violet, which I love because it definitely matches with like this amethyst. So, and again, I've never had one that is on an actual chain, which is awesome because then you can put it, you know what I mean? Like you can lock it on to whatever is your best comfort for the bracelet. Isn't that so pretty? I love that. And I love that it's a different style this time. That's really neat. So there's the healing crystal. There's the bracelet. Down in here is going to be the necklace. We're going to have the, okay, yeah, this is definitely pink with like a purple thing on it. So that's kind of cool for Valentine's Day month because it's like pink and purple. But here is the necklace for this month. It looks all pink and then it has like that little purple. This is Lepo, I don't know. That's this one right here. And the other one is strawberry quartz, the main. So for the little dangle right there, it says this is known for encouraging a sense of calm and tranquility during times of tension and chaos. It offers peace and promotes restless sleep, protecting from outside influences. Maybe I should wear this to bed. And then the main on here is the strawberry quartz. This one says it is primarily a stone of joy. It enables us to see the happy, beautiful, and pleasant aspects of life. It increases optimism and positive thinking. If you have been stuck in a rut of negativity, pessimism, or depression, strawberry quartz helps to transform those feelings into more uplifting and supportive feelings. If your daily life is feeling stagnant and dull, this is the stone that helps you recognize the simple pleasures that used to make you happy. That is awesome. So there is that. I really like that it's this really pretty like pink and then you have a different color here. So it gives you two different color combinations. I just wish one of them kind of well, I guess that kind of matches with this one because I like to wear the whole month together, like the bracelet and the necklace. So I love when they match. But we have the bracelet, the necklace, and oh my gosh, I love this amethyst right there. So that is everything that came in the manifestation box for February. All right, you guys. So again, that is everything for the February 2025 manifestation box. Now go ahead and pop on over to Rena's video, see what came in the Mother Earth Wrap Club. Let me know which one you think is the best one for this month. Did you like hers? Did you like mine? Which would you rather get? Definitely comment below and let me know. If you would like a little bit more information about this one, again, I do have my code, which is SheCrafty. Let me get this back out because now it feels weird being tight on my neck. Is SheCrafty to give you 20% off your very first monthly box, either one that you would prefer, or 20% off their shop. So anything on their shop could get you 20% off as well. Or you can use Rena's code. It doesn't do anything to us. It just does something for you. So either code works for us. Use whichever you would like. So for the Mother Earth Wrap Club and the manifestation box, they both have the same pricing. So if you just want to do month per month and not lock in like several months at a time, go month per month to test it out. You can do that one, which is $39 per month. Again, you get to choose your necklace size, your wrist size, and tell them your zodiac sign. On the Mother Earth Wrap Club, you tell them your wrist size. If you want to save money and go to a 3-month subscription, it will bring your box price down to $36. A 6 months will bring your box price down to $34 per box. And if you go to the full 12-month subscription, it brings your box price down to only $33 per box. And you always have it handmade by the owner, specifically to your sizing. And I just really, really love this box. I love what it represents. I love what it brings us. I love how it makes me feel. I love the jewelry, and it's just like top quality, high end. Like you can't find this stuff anywhere else. So shopping their shop, getting their subscription, you can enjoy their jewelry. And again, you can use one of our codes if you would like to save money. All of it will be down below in the description box along with her video. So you can pop on over, see her channel, subscribe if you haven't. Definitely support her. I love her. She's amazing. So if you like to check out other companies, see other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can check out my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so then you can see all of the different videos that I upload. I do so many different ones. If something comes up you're not interested in, pass it until you see one that you do. That simple. So that is everything again for this video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.